Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a meta description to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. Where in the upper right corner, you want to get started logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the homepage right here after you open up your website. So after opening up your site, at the left side screen, you can find all the sections you can use, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding a meta description. So basically, guys, we have two options. The first option is right here. You go ahead and open up your settings and tools option by yourself. So what you can do is go ahead and open up the general settings right here. After you open up the general settings, it's going to enable you to give your site a title, and you can give it a tagline. This is going to be some kind of meta description that you can input into your tagline. That's going to enable the people to find your website by using some kind of keywords, tags, and so on. So this is one of the basic and free ways. But another way, guys, if you want a better option, is to go into the plugin section, open up plugins, and then for opening up plugins, it's going to open up this plugins marketplace where you want to use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for meta description. So search for meta description, and after searching for it, it's going to give us a result all of the plugins that are related to meta descriptions. You can see you have multiple plugins that you can use for getting your meta description into your website. So what you can do, guys, is go ahead and check out all the plugins right here. If you want to install any of them, you can click the install button. It's going to appear right here. I'm currently on a free plan. You need a premium plan to do so. So just click the install button and add the plugin to your website, and you can get started with adding your meta description to your website, enabling people to find it that way. And those are the two ways you can do that. So guys, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.